Divide 864 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we put down this 6 and it is 36. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down this 4 and it is 14. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, it is 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 0. So 864 divided by 5 is 172 decimal 8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.